Xfi Complete enhances your Xfinity internet with advanced security and parental controls. Xfi Complete is an add-on service that provides advanced security and parental controls for Xfinity internet subscribers. Key features include antivirus protection, a VPN for online privacy supporting up to 10 devices, comprehensive parental controls, and identity theft protection. To be eligible, you need an active Xfinity internet subscription in good standing. Activation is streamlined through the Xfinity app or website. This add-on is software-based, requiring no additional hardware and integrates seamlessly with Xfinity routers like the Xfi Gateway. Note that compatibility with non-Xfinity devices might be limited for some features. To activate Xfi Complete, log into the Xfinity app or visit the Xfinity website. Navigate to Account, then Add Services, and select Xfi Complete. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase and activation process, which typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once activated, the features are immediately available across your connected devices. You can manage security settings, set up parental controls, and enable the VPN directly through the Xfi section of the Xfinity app. Remember that Xfi Complete is a cloud-hosted service, ensuring automatic updates and ease of use, especially for those less tech-savvy.